It's just me and you.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Candy Pause. So in today's video, we'll be checking out the new update in Vehicle Legends. Yeah guys, I'm back on YouTube. Sorry for the offline. Sorry I was offline on YouTube. So the reason why I was offline was because let's say I had some exams to write and I was relaxing, playing some football. So let's get on to this Vehicle Legend update. So here we have new opera B1 RE, new aggression, new gas station. Maybe they have added gas tanks to some of these cars. I hope not. But as you can see here in the background with this beautiful G-Wagon 6x6. So let's get around to this. It would be funny if they add a gas tank for some of these cars. Now imagine if you are racing and your gas tank just finishes. That would just be wrong. So now let's check out the cars. Start up again, start up again, start up again, start up. Not bad. But those other cars were loud, especially that McLaren. Well, let's open it up. Damn. Damn. Looks nice, especially the engine. So I'm still doing test drive. So let's take this car for some races. Interior. The speedometer is working. Nice. So this is gas station. Let's do one race real quick. And here's a working spoiler. That's what they call it. So let's just do circuit race before highway race. So if you guys are enjoying this video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and sub to my channel for more video content like this. Sheesh, what happened to my car? Oh, thank God. I thought it was like a glitch or something. But we're off. The handle is okay. It's okay for a coin sec. Damn, looks nice. Just in racing mode right now. Oh, damn. I thought I missed a checkpoint. Ew, I went off track, off track. Yeah, I went into interior. And then I scratched the car. Yeah, I'm just in racing mode. No, 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 no. I'm going to finish line. Finish that. That's $3,000. Let's do highway race. Shoot. Race in progress. Shoot. Should do around the world. Yeah, let's do around the world. Let's do around the map. Wait, let me just check my. Okay, we still have 1 minute. We still have 1 minute, so let's do this race. After that, we'll check out the station video. The roof. I didn't see this. Oh damn! A convertible. Just in one person view. Let's try. Let's try in first person view. The car is getting real shaky. Need for speed vibes. Hey, don't crash. For speed vibes right here. Turn it. Boost. Before vibes. This car is just so fast. I see some of these checkpoints. See, I finish it. No. My hands. Let's go back to the so let's check out so that test drive is over. Let me check out the new gas station video. I see that the Lambos, two new Lambos. So I'm checking. That's one of the gas. At the gas stations. They don't work, they're just there for like in decoration. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and sub to my channel for more video content like this. And I'll see you guys later. Bye guys. Bye.